Now we will find out even numbers using numpy. Okay. No, not even numbers, odd numbers. We will deal with odd numbers. Okay. Now what we will do? Import numpy. We will be importing the numpy module. Okay. Now uh,
কেউ দেখতে পাচ্ছে না 90 দিন ধরে বিচারিক অবস্থায় একটা নারী নির্যাতনের কেস হয়েছে মার্ডার হয়েছে রেপ হয়েছে প্রাতিষ্ঠানিক খুন হয়েছে সব খুলে লাভটা কি হলো চিকিৎসককে খুন ধর্ষণের ঘটনায় প্রতিবাদের ঝড় অনেক আগেই দেশ ছাড়িয়ে বিদেশেও আছড়ে পড়েছিল সরব হয়েছে
we
বিভিন্ন দেশে
will
ছড়িয়ে থাকা ভারতীয় চিকিৎসক ও ডাক্তারি পড়ুয়ারা তাদের মতোই
make an
একজন
array
চিকিৎসক
and
আজকের
we'll
নাগরিক
store
মিছিলে
that
স্বাধীনভাবে
array
বলে
to
জুড়ে এসেছেন সুদূর কানাডা থেকে
name ARR. Okay, ARR is the name of the array that we are making. We will be using the arrange function. Remember, this arrange does not have double R, it is single R, and we will be giving the lower limit, then the upper limit that we want plus 1. Okay, then what we will do, we will print those elements which are even valued in that array. Then what we will do, we will give the array name, and inside that bracket we will mention the condition to pick up only those values, only those elements in the array uh, which are even value. Okay, for even value, what we want to do, we want to find out whether they are divisible by 2. For divisibility checking, we will be using the modulo operator, the percentage, and if it is divisible, then the result of divisibility will be 0, and this divisibility double equal to is a relational operator to check whether uh, the value is divisible by 2 or not. If it is divisible, then it will give the result of this divisibility as 0. Okay, now in order to print the odd numbers, not even numbers, we will write not equal to 0. Okay, now when we will execute this, okay, here I have not given any allies, simply I have used numpy, and over here I will also use numpy. See over here, we have got all the odd numbers that are including numbers between or all the odd numbers from 1 to 30. Okay, now instead of this, you can also do in a different way. This import numpy will be there, we will be using numpy, but instead of this, when it is coming to the odd number, we can write like this as well: print numpy dot linspace. Okay, then 1 comma the actual upper limit, then the difference between the various number in between the numbers in that uh, array. Okay, then let us print this and find out. There might be certain changes that we have to do.
সেই কারণেই রাজপথে আদালত বসিয়ে পেশ করা হলো জনতার চার্জশিট সিবিআই যে চার্জশিট পেশ করেছে বা পেশ করতে চলেছে তাতে তারা তারা কাদেরকে অপরাধী হিসেবে চিহ্নিত করবে জানা নেই আমাদের, কিন্তু জনতা যাদেরকে অপরাধী বলে মনে করছে, যাদের বিরুদ্ধে অপরাধের প্রমাণ আমাদের কাছে আছে, সেই চার্জশিট আমরা আজকে পেশ করব। আমরা এতদিন ধরে আদালতে
not be using linspace over here. Linspace is that which will give us the numbers from one and here in the third parameter we will not using difference over there, but here in the third parameter or linspace we will be using how many numbers we want to get printed. But here the how many numbers is not that much will be specified by the user, or it will be unknown and the program will find it out, so we will use arrange over here. Okay, here in case of the this thing, in case of the odd numbers, you can do it like this as well. I have shown you the finding out odd numbers using numpy in both ways, in this way or in this way. But for odd numbers, two methods can be possible, but for even number, only one method is possible. If you will give 1 comma 30 comma 2, that will not satisfy my arrange function. Okay, 1 comma 30 comma 2 means you will get the uh, no, and that will not satisfy because 1 is odd number and you cannot write 2, you cannot change the lower limit or upper limit. Okay, so any one of the method, find it out which method will be better to find out the even number. This is one of the method using numpy. Import numpy statement is fixed. This is another method. Now find it out which one will be better and which is suitable to find out even numbers using numpy.